Good morning. Today in chapter 3, Movements of the Earth, Their Effects, we will study about the two movements of the Earth and its effect. The two movements of the Earth are rotation and revolution. Now, look at the globe. You will notice that the globe is tilted at a particular angle. Just like the globe, the Earth is also tilted. Now, imagine a line drawn through the center of the Earth joining the north and the south poles. This imaginary line is called the axis of the Earth. The axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit. The Earth spins from west to east on its axis. Now, let us find out more about its movement. Rotation. The spinning movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Effect of rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. When the Earth rotates, only one part of the Earth faces the Sun, while the other part remains away from the Sun. The part that faces the Sun receives sunlight and has day, while the other part is in darkness and has night. As the Earth rotates from west to east, the Sun seems to rise from the east. This is the reason why places in the east get exposed to the Sun first. Hence, their time is ahead of the time in places in the west. Revolution. The Earth moves around the Sun on a fixed path. This fixed path is called the orbit. The Earth completes one revolution in 365 1/4 days. We have only 365 days on our calendar. The 1/4 day of every year is added to make one extra day. This extra day is added every fourth year to the month of February. Hence, February has 29 days every fourth year. A year with 366 days is known as a leap year. Moon also revolves around the Earth. It takes little more than 27 days to complete one revolution. Effect of revolution. The revolution of the Earth around the Sun causes seasons. When one part of the Earth faces the Sun, the other part is away from the Sun. The part of the Earth faces the Sun experiences summer, while the other part experiences winter. There are four main seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. When the northern hemisphere experiences summer in June, the southern hemisphere experiences winter at that time, and vice versa, as shown in the picture. Now I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.